Hey guys, so I want to apologize. You're missing some portions of this video that I guess my phone deleted or something. It was a brown picture frame. I gessoed it white. You're missing a whole part where it was getting painted because my phone ran out of storage and so it stopped recording. Luckily I was busy with my daughter, so you guys really didn't miss me at all. And I gave it away right away. I gave it to somebody who is very dear and near to us for her home. So it's gone. So I can't take, I mean, I took what I took. But yeah, and I hope you guys are enjoying my videos. The little crafting ones, they're more close to my heart than the devotionals. I probably shouldn't say that. But God gave me a spirit of creativity. And so I enjoy using it. And I enjoy using this gift of mine. I'm a very creative person. And I definitely think that's a gift from God. So yeah, they're a little more dear to my heart than my devotionals videos. Not to say that I don't think the devotionals are dear to my heart. It's just the videos aspect of it. So I'm going to work on another project today. And it'll be for a future video. I'm still working on this one. I'm not showing you the front again. But the problem is I got down to this part of the V. Let me see if I can. This part of the V. And my original design for it, it's just not going to work out. So I'm kind of putting it aside and I'm working on, I'm letting it mellow on me what I want to do. If you guys have any ideas, let me know. It is an Easter themed Valentine's Day sign. So I'd love to hear your ideas. I'd hate to leave it as it is because that's the only blank spot there is. Okay, guys. Like and subscribe, please and thank you, and have a nice and blessed day.